Dear students, it is class 12th business studies. Today, let us know that what are the components or aspects of staffing. You know that there are three phases of this staffing. First is recruitment, then we have this selection, and then there is placement. So the first component of this or the aspect of staffing, it is recruitment. Recruitment, what is recruitment? It is the process of motivating a large number of candidates. रिक्रूटमेंट हम क्या करते हैं कि बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स को हम इस मोटिवेट करते हैं इस प्रोसेस में जस्ट यू विल अप्लाई फॉर द पर्टिकुलर जॉब. So this is known as recruitment. Motivating large number of candidates to apply for a particular job. It is called recruitment. So in this process, what happens that more the candidates that we are just preparing to apply for the job, more possible would be the selection among the candidates. So this recruitment, it is defined as the process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in the organization. यानी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एम्प्लॉयज़ को सर्च करना और उनको तैयार करना कि वो अप्लाई करें किसी भी जॉब के लिए. इट इज़ नोन एज रिक्रूटमेंट. इसमें कुछ स्टेप्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट इसमें ये होता है डिटरमाइनिंग द वेरियस सोर्स ऑफ लेबर सप्लाई. यानी हम जो मज़दूर या हम जो पर्सनल जिनको हम इनवाइट करना चाहते हैं तो हम उनके सोर्सेज को डिटरमाइन करते हैं. सोर्सेज ऑफ लेबर सप्लाई. सेकंड इज एवेल्युएटिंग द वैलिडिटी ऑफ दीज रिसोर्सेज. हम देखते हैं कि जो रिसोर्सेज हमारे पास हैं जिनके ज़रिए हमें ये आदमी ये लेबरर्स जो हैं सप्लाई होते हैं उनकी ये जो वैलिडिटी क्या है, whether they are trustworthy or not. Third is selecting the most suitable source or sources. Then if we have many sources who can supply us this labor, different kinds of capable these workers, then we have to select the most suitable ones, suitable sources among them. And fourth is inviting applications from the candidates. Then we have to invite the applications from the candidates for the vacancies for whom we are going to appoint or employ the persons. Then this is recruitment. It is the first component of staffing. Now what are the sources of recruitment? It has two sources. One is internal source and external source. यानी recruitment के लिए recruitment मैंने आपको बताया कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कैंडिडेट्स को मोटिवेट करना ताकि वो इस जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करें, इसे रिक्रूटमेंट कहा जाता है. अब रिक्रूटमेंट के दो तरीके हैं. एक है इंटरनल रिसोर्स. इंटरनल रिसोर्स में होता है ट्रांसफ़र और प्रमोशन. और एक्सटर्नल रिसोर्स जो है इसमें है डायरेक्ट रिक्रूटमेंट, कैजुअल कॉलर और मीडिया एडवर्टीजमेंट, एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज, प्लेसमेंट एजेंसीज, मैनेजमेंट दिस contractions or campus recruitment, recommendations, labor contractors, telecasting, web publishing. These are different sources of external. So far as the internal source, these have two kinds: transfer and promotion. We transfer the employees from one department to the other, from one stream to the other, just to fill up the gaps. And second is promotion, just we promote the employees from the lower grades to the higher ones. So to fill up the gap in these gaps. So this is known as internal resource. In internal source, what we do, we fill up the gaps within the organization. And the external resource, it is that just we are calling the workers from outside. Direct recruitment, casual collar, media advertisement. In this we use different sources for the advertisement, that is print media, electronic media, to call the these workers to call the employees to fill up the vacancies, or we use the employment exchanges, placement agencies, or different kinds of these camps where we go somewhere and just we conduct the other camps so that the recruitment can be available. So these are different external resources, internal resources and external resources. Now, advantages of internal resources. The advantage is an internal resources transfer and promotion. It is simple and economical. There is no need for training because they are already trained. Motivation. We don't need to employ new workers because we can motivate the workers who are already working in this organization. They have more promotional avenues, so they are more inclined towards the jobs. It is cheaper, and there are transfer facilities. We can transfer the employees from one to other department, so that we can fill up the gaps. So these are some internal and external resources that we can use for recruitment. So I think this is enough for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will take the disadvantages and the external sources. What are their advantages and disadvantages? So thanks.